Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 14 minus 7 is equal to 7, and again 14 minus 7 is equal to also 7. Now 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 49. Okay, but this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis is equal to 14 minus 7. Now 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. So is equal to, now here is multiplication. So multiplication comes first before subtraction. Okay. So first we have to solve multiplication. So is equal to 14. Now minus 7 multiplies 7 is equal to minus 49. Now 14 minus 49 is equal to minus 35. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 35. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.